Gonna head on in. The unit that is for rent is a 3-bedroom. This is just a nice little enclosed porch. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, 2nd floor. And there's a lot of beautiful original detail in this unit. Right now there is a family here, so there's a lot of toys and whatnot. But as you can see, we come in, beautiful hardwood floors, wood trim. There's quite a large living room. And again, it looks a little bit smaller on video just because of all the amount of stuff in here, but it's quite a good size. Great natural light. 4 windows in this room overlooking the front of the house. Side of the house, we've got our front bedroom, which they are currently using as a nursery. There is a closet here. And there is also a front deck, which they do not utilize, but you can see is out there. The heat is radiator, hot water. It is powered by gas. As we come into the dining room, you can see again, just really nice original detail with the wooden beams. We got really nice, good wood windows, great light. Units, I think about 1,300 square feet, but there's also an additional sunroom, which we will show you. So this is bedroom number 2. Good size, you know, got good, again, it's a little tight right now, but good closet space. As you can see, decent sized room. And then we come in, room number 2. Now this is the back of the house. Also a good sized room, and there is a closet in here, which they have stacked to the brim. The bathrooms were redone recently. They're really beautiful, modern looking, you know, tile showers. So just overall really nice modern baths. And then we come into the kitchen. Kitchen is a good size. It has a dishwasher. It has a disposal. Again, it's gas cooking, stove, and then a good sized refrigerator. All the appliances will stay with the unit. So you can see again. And then there's a pantry here as well. This is now off of the kitchen, off the back hall. But again, because this is the 2nd floor, there's only 2 floors. This is private for this unit. There's an additional closet here, some storage space, and then a really nice sunroom out the back. And this is a good size. It gets great light. It is not, there's no heating or cooling source out here. But you know, you could definitely have this as a den or a playroom or what have you. And then again, of course, we can see the backyard. So this is 42 Garnett Unit 2. There is private laundry and storage downstairs in the basement for this unit. You're not sharing laundry with anyone. This unit will be available September 1st, and we are asking $2,700, and that does not include utilities. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private showing of this beautiful unit, please feel free to call or email me or text me, and we will get you in to see it.